We are literally weeks out from more than money. And the conversation that you want to have with yourself right now is, how do I now fare the financial storm ahead? There is a tsunami that's going to hit our shores real soon. And the lies in the media, well, they're sort of fairly explicit. We tend to think that things are okay and they're going to get better. The reality is the middle class will be wiped out. But my question to you is, when is the greatest transfer of wealth? Is it when the market's high or when the market's low? And whilst things are low, this is the idea that you and I need to capitalize on this change and this transition. So more than money, may I suggest you prepare yourself now. Look carefully at your numbers. Run through mortgages, expenses, get your monthly costs. Know what those numbers are. Have a track of those. So when you and I walk into the room, you know exactly what's going on, but more importantly, what it looks like to remediate that and really exploit this opportunity coming your way.